Good morning children. Welcome to math session. Now children, as you know, teacher is teaching you chapter number 10, addition by carrying over. We finished part 1. In part 1 we learned about hundreds and tens. In part 2 I taught you how to add 3 numbers, okay, and 2 numbers. Then we did addition by carrying, how to carry 2 numbers, doing addition by 2 numbers, then addition by carrying over 3 numbers. Then we did arrange vertically and add. Then we did add horizontally. And today what we are going to do in part 6, we are going to do word problem. What is our topic? Word problem. Okay. Solve the following problems. Now let us see how the word problems can be solved. If 365 men and 365 women and 276 men took part in the Clean Village campaign, how many people took part altogether? If 365 women and 276 men took part in the Clean Village campaign, how many people took part altogether? Now children, whenever in the question it is given altogether or all or some or total, it is always a sum of word problem of addition. Okay, so let us start. How you are going to arrange? First, what you are going to do is you are going to arrange the number according to their place value, that is 100, tens and unit, and the number 365 and 276. Okay, then what you are going to do is, now you know you are going to add, so you will put a addition sign next to it, and then you are going to write 365, that is women, and 276, that is the men. Now we will add. Okay, so 5 plus 6 will be how much children? After 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So for 11 I am going to write 1 here and 1 I will carry over. Okay, now this 6 plus 1 I will do. So 6 plus 1 will be 7. To that 7, if I add this 7, 7 plus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what I am going to do is I am going to write 4 here and 1 I will carry over. Now 3 and 1, 4. To that 4, if I add this 2, so it will become 6, 4, 1. That means when I add 365 plus 276, I get my answer 641. So how I am going to write the answer is, altogether 641 people took part. Understood children? I hope you understood the first sum. Next, question number 2. Malti Bai gifted 350 books to the school library. Vasant Rao gave 400 and Jayant Rao 165. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? I repeat the question. Malti Bai gifted 350 books to the school library. Vasant Rao gave 400 and Jayant Rao 165. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? What you are going to do children first? Here it is asking the total. Total means you need to add. So first what we are going to do is we are going to arrange them according to their place value. Then we are going to add units with units, tens with tens and 100 with 100. So shall we start? Now 0 plus 0 plus 5 will be 5. Then 5 plus 0 will be 5. And to that 5 add this 6, 7. To that 5 if I add that 6. So after 5 we need to count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 1 here and 1 will be carry over. Now this 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So when I add 350, 400 plus 165, I get my answer 915. Now children, when you write this sum, you need to write this. Wait one second. You need to write in the next, that is opposite. I am not having here enough space in the slide, but in the book you need to write 400 Vasant Rao gifted, 165 Jayant Rao gifted. Okay. After making this 100, tens and unit column, after arranging the number, you have to write that is 400 Vasant Rao gifted. Where you have written 400, beside that only you will write Vasant Rao gifted. Where you have written 165, beside that you will write Jayant Rao gifted. Okay. And then you are going to add. Now, what answer we get? 915 books gifted to school library. Okay. Now, next. Question number 3. If 230 Gulmohar saplings, 375 neem saplings and 180 teak saplings were planted on the hillside, how many trees were planted altogether? If 230 Gulmohar saplings, 375 neem saplings and 180 teak saplings were planted on the hillside, how many trees were planted altogether? Let us solve. First step, what we are going to do, we are going to make a column of HTU, 100, tens and unit. Then we are going to arrange the numbers according to the place value. That is, what is the number, children? 230, 375 and 180. 230, 375 and 180. And after writing this, what I told you, what you are going to write? When you have written the number of neem saplings, you are going to write beside that neem saplings. Then you are going to write 180 and then you are going to write teak saplings. Okay. Now we will start adding. Now 0 plus 5 will be 5. To that 5 will add this 0. It will become again 5. Okay. Now no carryover because I got your answer in a single digit. Now 3 plus 7, 10. 10 plus 8, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18. So what I am going to do is I am going to write here 8 and 1 I will carry over. Now 2 plus 1, 3. To that 3 if I add this 3. 6. To that 6 if I add this 1. 7. So what answer I get? 785. How I am going to write this answer? Total saplings 785 were planted all together. Total saplings 785 were planted all together. Now let us move to the next. For a school drama, Smita sold 226 tickets. Sushila sold 318 tickets. And Sharda sold 156 tickets. How many tickets did they sell altogether? Here also, children, in the question it is altogether. That means it has to be added. So for a school drama, Smita sold 226 tickets, Sushila sold 318 tickets and Sharda sold 156 tickets. How many tickets did they sell altogether? So what we will do the first step, we are going to arrange them according to their place value, that is 226, 318 and 156, and then we are going to put the addition sign. After that, what we are going to write? Sushila sold. How much? That is 318. Then Sharda sold. That is 156. Now we will start adding. So 6 plus 8. 6 plus 8, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now to that 14 add this 6. Answer is 20. So we will write 0 here and we will carry 2 up. Okay. So now 2 plus 2 will be 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. Again we will write here 0 and 1 we will carry over. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So what answer we get? After adding 226, 318 and 156, we get our answer 700. That is, they sold 700 tickets all together. They sold how many tickets all together? They sold 700 tickets all together. Next, question number 5. If there are 50 storybooks, if there are 50 storybooks and 75 books of poem, how many books in all are there in the library? if there are 50 story books and 75 books of poem, how many books in all are there in the library? So how we are going to do our first step? We are going to arrange them according to their place value. We wrote the number 50, we wrote the number 75. Okay. Then what are the number 50 and 75? Then what we are going to do? We are going to write 50 story books and then 75 poem books. Now we are going to add. Now this is a 2-digit number, so very easy. 0 plus 5 will be 5 and 7 plus 5 will be, after 7 5 finger, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write here 2 and 1. What I am going to do? 1 I will carry over in hundreds place. Correct? And that one, now nothing is below there, below 1. So what I am going to do is, I will consider as 0. So 1 plus 0 will be 1. So if I add 50 plus 75, I get my answer 125. So what I am going to write in the answer? There are 125 books in the library. Okay. Now next. Rashmi bought a dress worth rupees 275 and a shirt worth rupees 399. How many rupees she spent in all? Rashmi bought a dress worth rupees 275 and a shirt worth rupees 399. How many rupees she spent in all? The first step what we are going to do is, we will arrange them according to their place value, that is 275, 395. Now cost of a dress is 275. Cost of a t-shirt is 399. Now we will add. Now 5 plus 9 will be how much, children? To 9 we will add more 5. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So what I am going to do is, I am going to write 4 here and 1 I will carry over. Now 7 plus this one will be 8. 8 plus this 9. To 9 if I add 8 more, then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 and then children 17. Correct. So we will write here 7 and again we will carry 1 here. Okay. Now 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. So what answer I got? 674. So how I will write? Rashmi spent total 674 rupees in all. Understood, children? We add both the numbers and we got our answer. Rashmi spent total 674 rupees in all. So with this, children, we finish our today's session of word problem. I hope you understood this session very clearly. Now children, again I would like to tell you what you are going to do is, you are going to copy all the questions of word problem. What topic you will give to that question? You will give that, right, take a fresh page. Okay, wait, I'll show you how to do it. Okay, take a fresh page and on a fresh page write the topic word problem. Okay, after you wrote the topic word problem, write the question, that is solve the following problems. Then you give this question number 1. Then write this whole question number 1 in your book and then write the answer by yourself. Now you know how you have to do it. You have to just arrange, make a HTU column, 100, tens and unit column. You have to arrange the number according to their place value. You have to add and you have to write the answer. Okay. So you will do this word problem on your own with honesty. No copying from the slide. Okay, children. Just copy this question from the slide and then write the answer in your book. After you finish, then check your answer with the teacher's slides answer. Okay, children? And then if you are checked, you got the right answer, then you go to the question number 2. If you have the place down there in the notebook on the same page, then you can continue. If not, then again take a fresh page and again write the question number 2. Then again check the answer. Okay. Like that you can continue and write. I want all the 6 word problem questions and answer in your book, children. Okay, I hope you all have made a maths book, maybe your class book or rough book. So you need to write all this in your book till question number 6, all word problems, and then you can check your answer with the slide. But before that, no copying the answer from the slide. Just don't copy and paste and write everything. Okay, first what you will do, you will write the question, then you will solve it by yourself. Okay, and then you will check the answer with the slide. If it is wrong, then correct it. Okay, children, so keep practicing and keep learning. See you in the next session. Bye. See you soon.